5,000, the disciples were told by Jesus to get into their boat and cross to the other side of the lake. If you had to cross the lake, how would you do it? Or, looking at today's example, because of lockdown restrictions, we're at Bristol's floating harbour in the centre of the city. What ways would you go about trying to cross the floating harbour? Take 30 seconds to think about how you might reach the other side of the harbour. If you're with someone else, why not share your ideas? Here are a few suggestions. Some would require more preparation than others. Amongst the conventional would be you could walk along to the Prince Street Bridge, hoping that it is not swung open. You could use the harbour ferry, although this is not currently operating due to the lockdown. Some more fanciful options could include building a raft with one of the activity companies in the harbour, catching a balloon ride. This may be a more limited opportunity, perhaps just when the balloon fiesta is on. Or you could wait for the proposed Bristol Underground to dig a tunnel and travel under the harbour. The disciples did as Jesus commanded them. They got into their boat and they set out for the other side of the lake. As they crossed, the wind and the waves were against them. Winds and storms are a hazard that sailors face. The media is keen to make headlines when the winds and the waves come onto land and when storms hit our islands. In the midst of the storm on Lake Galilee, Jesus came to support his disciples, but not in the way that they were expecting. To their significant surprise, Jesus came walking on the water. Peter asks to join, and Jesus says, "Come." Peter got out of the boat, looked to Jesus, and walked towards him. Would you have the courage to get out of the boat and walk on the water? This is my boat, and I certainly don't want to fall into the water when I'm in her. I only want to get out safely onto the pontoon. Peter kept his eye on Jesus and was able to walk towards him. How steady is your gaze onto Jesus when the storms of life's troubles hit you?